Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of the Dura-Block 007 paint gun. Let's just get started and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, on opening the box, you're going to have your manual and you're going to have a description as to how to take apart the gun and your warranty. Alright, and this is a gun. It's from Dura-Block right there, and it's called 007. I ordered a couple of tips. I ordered the 1.3, 1.9, and 1.4. So I'm going to be using it for primer. I'm going to be using it for base and clear. Let's see how this gun works. Let's see what else is inside the box. The unique thing about this gun is that it's the head's detached from the body. All right, right there. You got different heads, and let's see what else is inside. And right there, you have your stand. They give you a stand for the gun. An extra trigger. Your wrench so you can disassemble the heads. Right there, your tools. And this is part of this plate is part of the stand also. Alright, and that's it, and some keys so you can lock and unlock the little box. The only thing that I see I didn't like about this gun is that it doesn't come with cups. You need to purchase a cup separate. They do have a set of cups of 50 disposable cups for about $59. And all in all, that's the only downfall that I saw about this gun. The purchase of this gun. I'm going to leave all the information down below so you can go to their website and see the prices. If you want to get yourself one of these, just go ahead and do so. I'm going to be doing a review on it also. I'm going to be spraying out some paint. I'm going to be spraying out some primers and sealers and clear coat with it in the near future. So just stay with me, and you'll see what this gun is all about. All right. So the way you disassemble the gun, I think I tightened it, but the way you disassemble the gun, let me get the little tool. It's through here. All you need to do is just loosen it up. And that's it. Okay. Change the heads. This is all you have to clean, and just keep on using what you need. But we'll get into all that as soon as I start using it, as soon as I start painting with it, and see what this gun's all about. Alright guys, this is a little quick unboxing of the 007 Dura-Block paint gun. Hope you guys like this video. Soon there'll be a review on it. Alright guys, and this will be it, guys. This will be it for this little short video. It's just the unboxing of this 007 Dura-Block paint gun. Alright guys, have a great Wednesday, have a great week, and I'll see you this coming weekend. Alright guys, thank you, and like always, God bless.